Struggling with cold emails that never get opened? You're not alone. But what if I told you there's a way to consistently hit 50% plus open rates without gimmicks or spammy tactics? 50% plus open rates, proven tactics. We've analyzed millions of campaigns, and today I'm breaking down the exact strategies that get your emails opened, read, and replied to. Let's dive in. How to improve your cold email open rate. After analyzing millions of campaigns, here's what consistently delivers 50% plus open rates. Subject lines that feel internal. Skip names and gimmicks. Keep it under 3 words. Preview text. That hooks, first 15 words matter. Drop the "hope you're well" fluff. Instead, reference a recent funding round, product launch, or milestone. Warm up your domain. Start slow, 20 per day, and scale gradually to avoid spam filters. Segment smarter. Different roles need different messages. Segmented campaigns get 15 to 20% higher open rates. AI plus human personalization dash. Use AI for first-line research, but add your human touch to avoid sounding robotic. Turn off open rate tracking. ESPs flag tracking pixels. Test for 2 to 3 weeks, then rely on reply rates and deliverability tools instead. Implement these and watch your open rates soar. Follow this space for more sales and marketing insights.